My name's Chris McAree. I'm the CEO of LeafTech Consulting, and we are a Denver-based IT consulting firm. Being that I was born and raised in Canada, coming up with the name LeafTech just kind of made sense, right? It mixed my heritage along with the industry that I was in, and I can't take any credit for it. My wife actually came up with the name. We're a full-service IT consulting firm, so we take care of everything from desktop support to servers to hardware procurement, circuits, phone systems, pretty much everything. We have a saying around here that if it plugs into the wall, give us a call. So typically we are the IT department for our clients, so not only do we advise them on what to do, we actually execute on the strategies and the business decisions that they make. Pretty hectic around here. There's 11 of us in the office. The office is across the country. We have people in Florida and California and Colorado. And we have over 2,300 endpoints to manage around here. We have probably close to 100 clients across the entire country. And the phones ring pretty much all day, every day. Outlook dings all day, every day. And we expect our people here to pick up the phone, answer those emails quickly, efficiently, and put our clients back to work. Yeah, I mean, we haven't come up with an official one. We do have a saying around here that is, if the client isn't smiling, you haven't done your job. And that's really our goal, is to make sure our clients are happy, productive, efficient, profitable, and continue calling us back when they do need help. So the story behind LogMeIn for myself is, I started using LogMeIn way back in 2005. I was using the free version. And it was a wonderful product, partly because it was free, and partly because it solved a need that I had, which was to get in front of people's computers and get information about those systems, servers, workstations, laptops, all over the country, when I physically couldn't do that. So it was really around, the concept around Central was we needed a system that did even more than just get us in front of those computers. So fast forward to 2015, we've got 4 employees, dozens of clients, hundreds of endpoints, and we needed to be competitive in the market. We needed to be able to obtain information about clients' computers, again, servers, that kind of a deal. Yeah, so again, in 2005, using LeafTech, or in 2005, using LogMeIn, the free version. When I started the company in 2007, I needed a solution that would allow me to get in front of people's computers. Usually it's some pretty interesting times of the day, right? Before they might show up or at their lunch break. And as a one-man shop, having LogMeIn as my remote management tool was incredibly helpful. Again, fast forward to 2015, we've got multiple employees, multiple clients all over the country, and we needed a tool that did the remote management portion, but we also needed all kinds of other features that LogMeIn Central offered. Not only did the free version go away, but LogMeIn Central was just a really easy choice because it gave us the ability to pull reports or look at asset information, run scripts, install software, set up our clients to be able to log into their own equipment. Or even my employees here now, they have the ability to remote in from home or anywhere in the world to their workstations at the office. We needed something like Central that would allow us to be competitive in our industry. LogMeIn has changed a lot since 2005. You know, back then for us it was 10 licenses, it was just a remote tool, and that's all we could do with it. When I got that call from the LogMeIn Central folks in 2015 suggesting that it was time to upgrade and add feature and functionality, they blew our socks off with what was going on in the product. You know, not only could we still remote in, but ad hoc support that we had never had, pulling asset inventory reports, the ability to have clients be able to log into their own equipment, the integrations that are now available with some of the other tools that we use, ticketing systems. It's really quite impressive. I can't believe I've been with LogMeIn for 15 years to begin with. It's actually kind of hard to envision that 2005 is a long time ago now. I'm excited, not only is the company growing and they're acquiring other companies and other products, and they're just making the whole suite, the family, just bigger and bigger every day. I'm really excited about the integrations that are going on with LogMeIn. The fact that they're trying to be agnostic with the other tools out there and hook in. Again, our documentation system works with LogMeIn, and the ability to import asset information into our documentation system that's also cloud-based is going to be really, really helpful for my technicians. Just one pane of glass, go get all the information. It's dynamic. We're excited about it. LeafTech has always been a LogMeIn customer. Back to the free days, we started buying a few licenses back in the day when there was a paid version, and that was quite the shock when we saw that as a small company. But then to get that phone call one day to go, hey, you really should look at this central product. At the time, we were probably 500 endpoints across the country, and when they pitched it to us, the LogMeIn sales folks, Reed and I were just blown away, and we had to choose this product, and it was a no-brainer. We already had 500 nodes, on the system. We've since upgraded to nearly 2,500 endpoints. I think we're going to have to buy some additional licensing here pretty soon. LogMeIn Central is critical to what we do around here. It saves time. It saves my people from having to jump in the car for even the most minor IT issues. It allows us to be quick and efficient for our clients. It puts our clients back to work. Most of my clients really don't care how their problems are solved. They just want them solved. And they want to go back to work doing what they do best, which is being productive for their business and being profitable for their business. And so it's our responsibility to put people back to work quickly. And LogMeIn Central does that. It gives us the ability to remote in when we need to take a look at a problem. It gives us the ability to allow someone to keep working on their machine while we gather information that we otherwise would never be able to get unless we were in front of the computer ourselves. And even then, we might still have to push them out of the way in order to see what was going on. So we've got some analytics that even our customers don't even know about. We're able to be proactive. We're solving problems before they even know there is a problem. LogMeIn Central has replaced employees in our company, and it's a 24/7 monitoring tool. So we're able to stay on top of client issues even when we're sleeping, and even when our clients are sleeping, we're still fixing their problems. We're still being notified that something needs to be looked at. The beauty of LogMeIn Central is it's almost like we are inside the computer, right? We're gaining information about that system, about that server, and our clients have no idea. But it's all in an effort to make sure that they're efficient and productive and profitable. So we're grabbing analytics, processor information, memory utilization, hard drive utilization, and they a lot of times don't even have any clue that we're doing that for them to make sure that they don't run into a problem. When they notify us of a problem, it allows us to dig in quickly and effectively for them so that they get back to work and they get to do what they need to do. So LogMeIn Central has allowed us to quickly solve customer issues on the spot. In the past, before we had a system that gave us the analytics that LogMeIn Central gives us today, I'm putting people in the car. Well, in Denver, a 1-hour trip, on-site trip in the car is probably a 2 to 3 hour event. We've got to prep and pack and drive, get to the client site, work with them, make them happy, make them smile, right? And then we have to pack up again and get back to the office and set back up. And that's a 2 to 3 hour event, easy in this town in today's environment in Denver. So with LogMeIn Central, I'm able to open a ticket for one of my techs. They log in, 15 minutes later, the issue's solved. The client doesn't get to see us in that case, but most of the time they don't want to see us. They want to get back to work. And if they're waiting around for us to show up, that's not efficient for them. That's not profitable for their business. And I get to put my guys back to work. We get to solve more issues, close more tickets, make more clients happy. That's the goal. So not only does LogMeIn Central help us be efficient with our current clients and save drive time and increase our profitability here and our clients' profitability, it also allows us to onboard new clients very, very quickly. As an example, we're about to onboard a client in California. Well, I don't have a resource in that area, but I'm still able to take on that new client because I have this tool. So this tool has allowed a Denver-based IT company to be a nationwide IT company. And that's huge for us. LogMeIn Central has allowed us to keep up with our client needs, the trends in our industry, provide faster service, reduce drive time, while giving LeafTech the ability to onboard new clients quickly and efficiently. This also gives LeafTech the ability to grow and add more resources, which ultimately benefits our current clients and our future clients. Automation is absolutely key to being successful in our industry. It saves everyone time, which increases productivity and profitability. LogMeIn Central is the automation tool LeafTech needs to be a competitive IT consulting firm in today's technology services industry.